Okay, and more developments taking place right now. After that press conference that we just showed you, an expert of the Delhi poll panel has said they are examining and verifying allegations that have been levelled. They're also saying they'll take appropriate action. Okay, our colleague Akash Sharma, who's been covering these elections for us, is joining us live from outside the Delhi BJP office. We'll just try to resume our connection with him and then we'll go over to him. Remember, fresh allegations of voter list tampering have been made by the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's just go over to our colleague Akash to understand a little bit more. Akash, just give us context here, because in the last few days it's felt like allegations have been coming forth from both quarters. What do we have on record has actually taken place? First, tell us that. Tell us the accusations that both parties are making.
Toya, I cannot hear your question, but I'm assuming that you're asking on the kind of politics that is happening on voters here in the national capital. So Toya, let me tell you the whole story. You know, it started with the allegations from Bharatiya Janata Party initially, when they started saying that Aam Aadmi Party leaders are involved in fake voter registration, and in fact Rohingyas and Bangladeshis are getting registered here in the national capital as voters as per Bharatiya Janata Party. Aam Aadmi Party came out in public and said that Bharatiya Janata Party is playing this story and is basically conspiring to delete voters here in the national capital. And after that, we have seen a series of claims and counter-claims, allegations and counter-allegations, where both the parties are saying that the other party is involved in voter deletion as well as addition. Yesterday, we saw that Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal and also the former Chief Minister of Delhi alleged that Bharatiya Janata Party is involved in this forgery where, they have added 5,000 votes and in fact, are deleting the votes here in the national capital. Now, interestingly, when it is about Bharatiya Janata Party, so Bharatiya Janata Party is saying that Aam Aadmi Party is involved in this game where, they are making the fake votes. In fact, several sort of FIRs have been registered here in the national capital, and Bharatiya Janata Party picked some sort of case studies where there are addresses. For example, a person is living here in Delhi on a specific address from last 12 to 14 years. And now 26 more voters are registered on the same address. And the owner of that address, doesn't know anyone. They say that they don't know anyone. They don't know as to from where they have come. And, how is it possible that a house where a person is living for years and is the actual owner, doesn't know as to, how people have come and individuals have come there and have registered themselves as voters. So definitely things are happening. But in case studies, we also went on ground in Motinagar area where there was an open plot and only a electricity meter was there and 26 voters were registered on the same address. And to our surprise, we found that no one was living. In fact, there was no structure where one can live. After, a particular case, we approached Election Commission, and then we got to know that Election Commission in these cases is actually verifying the claims on ground. And what they have found, in fact, they are taking BLAs of different political parties with them for the verification part, and they are claiming that whenever we are finding someone living there, or even if someone is not living there or is living to a nearby place, they are asking them to verify themselves, and after that verification, they are identified as real voters. And in fake voters case, they cannot delete any voter. Election Commission is clear that without Form 7, they cannot delete any voter. Yes, if they are not finding anyone on a specific address, or if that person has moved permanently, they can actually mark that particular vote in an ASD list. ASD list is absentees, shifted or deleted voters. So a lot has been happening on the political front, but Election Commission is very clear that they will follow the guidelines. And as of now, many cases are there where verification is happening. But yes, political parties are involved in this war of words where both the parties are claiming that the other party is involved in this forgery game.
Wow. All right, Akash, stay with us. One more aspect of this same story we'll just break to our audiences, and then we'll come back to you to get more details on this entire story. First, some reactions that continue to come in.
आपने देखा होगा कि उसके बाद पूरे दिल्ली में इन्होंने एक अभियान चला दिया नाम कटवाने का, और इन्होंने कहा कि संजय सिंह को भी अब सबक सिखाना है। यह बहुत बोलता है, पूर्वांचलियों के हक में बोलता है, यूपी बिहार वालों के हक में बोलता है, इसको ही सबक सिखाओ पहले। तो उन्होंने क्या किया कि नई दिल्ली विधानसभा क्षेत्र में जहां के विधायक श्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी हैं, वहां पर हमारी पत्नी अनीता सिंह जी का नाम कटवाने के लिए एप्लीकेशन दे दी, और एक बार नहीं दी, दो बार दे दी। 24 दिसंबर को और 26 दिसंबर को।
वे झूठ बोल रहे हैं। अगर उनके पास कोई तथ्य हो, वो एक भी पेपर दिखा दें जहां पर बीजेपी ने कहीं वोट काटने के लिए कहीं एप्लीकेशन लगाई हो। इलेक्शन कमीशन का अपना प्रोसेस है जिसमें जिन वोटर्स के आधार कार्ड लिंक नहीं बनते, जहाँ उनके सबूत नहीं मिलते, उनके वोट कटते हैं। एक रूटीन प्रोसेस है। परंतु सच ये है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल ने मेहनत कर कर अपनी विधानसभा के अंदर कुछ रोहिंग्या बसाए थे, जिनकी चेकिंग पर उनके वोट कट रहे हैं।
अब जांच होनी चाहिए किसने एप्लीकेशन डाली है, नाम काटने के लिए किसने डाली है। हो सकता है यही डलवा दिए हों, ये भी हो सकता है। एक ही मुद्दा गरमा करके रखना चाहिए, या तो अगर जिसने भी डाला उसके खिलाफ भी कार्रवाई करी जानी चाहिए। और ये बात तो है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी पूरे देश में बड़े स्तर पर इन्होंने उन वोटर्स का नाम उड़ाया है, उत्तर प्रदेश में भी, मध्य प्रदेश में भी और महाराष्ट्र में।
अरविंद केजरीवाल ने 2014 के बाद अब तक कोई सार्थक काम किया होता तो आज हर 15 मिनट के बाद उन्हें सोशल मीडिया के प्लेटफॉर्म का इस्तेमाल करके झूठ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं होती। उनको ये एहसास हो गया है कि वो चुनाव हार रहे हैं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बन रही है, इसलिए अनर्गल बातें कर रहे हैं। अब अरविंद केजरीवाल से होगा कुछ भी नहीं, सरकार जा रही है। पहले ही मुख्यमंत्री से हट चुके हैं, लीगल तौर पे वो आगे मुख्यमंत्री बन भी नहीं सकते। बहुत सारे उनके ऊपर ऐसे केसेस के आधार बने हुए हैं जो उनके ऊपर गारंटी के साथ उनको जो बेल मिली है उसी को वो फुलफिल करने में बहुत जमाना लग जाएगा। इसलिए उन्हें एहसास हो गया है कि अब वो आना नहीं है, तो जितना झूठ है बोलते रहो, सुबह बोलो, शाम बोलो, झूठ बोलो। जमीन पे जिस विधानसभा में संजय सिंह, अरविंद केजरीवाल और आतिशी जा रहे हैं वहां पे विरोध हो रहा है, लोग उन्हें काले झंडे दिखा रहे हैं, उनसे सवाल कर रहे हैं दिल्ली के बदहाली पे।